G'day guys, just going to be looking at the clutch on my Stihl KM94. Got a couple of viewers in the background. Anyway, let's get into it. Using Torx bit T25, we're just going to remove the starter assembly. So there's just 3 bolts holding that. They're not too tight. I'm actually away camping at the moment, as you can see. I'm in the snowy mountains, Kosciuszko National Park. You know what else is there to do? I thought I might as well. I know it needs a clutch, so let's have a look at it. Okay, that's the starter assembly. Just have your 3 bolts. Then we need to take the engine cover off. We'll start removing the spark plug cover. We'll just spin the unit around. We just have 3 bolts that hold the clutch housing, and then once we release these 2 bolts we can pull the engine cover off. They just make a real, once the clutch hasn't fully gone in this, it's just, there's a delay in the engagement. So when you go to accelerate, when you throttle it up, the engine just revs without the clutch sort of engaging. And then when it does, it clunks, makes like a loud noise. Like it's just not smooth, operating smoothly. Once we get those 2 out, this engine cover will come off. Simple as that. Now we just have one more underneath here. As easy as that. There's the clutch. That's the clutch drum. I just pop a screwdriver just into the flywheel. I'm just got to be very gentle. Nothing's too tight. And we don't want to, when we put it back together, do anything too tight. So we will just undo these 2. Sometimes there's a Torx bit bolt, but these are just a 10mm headed bolt, which will undo. Just remove the 2 bolts. That's them. Just the plate that comes off first, and then that's the clutch. So as this spins, the clutch is bolted to the flywheel. As that flywheel spins, the clutch will throw out. And we just gently pull the clutch assembly off. This is a new one. They're about $30. This is actually a non-genuine one, just Amazon or eBay. Now you can see the wear marks. Sometimes this spring breaks and then the clutch will literally just jam up and, you know, can do a lot of damage. But sometimes you can replace the spring, but for 30 bucks you just get the whole assembly. So that's the new one. That's the worn one. Like, just sort of looking at them, you can definitely see how worn these sort of clutch plates are. So another thing, this is the clutch drum. So you just want to feel that there's no major scoring. You can replace the drum as well, but you can usually 2 clutches to 1 drum. So the drums do last sort of twice as long, sort of thing. So then, you know, assembly's just reverse. These do have a arrow of direction. There's an arrow there. So looking at that, it's anti-clockwise. So we'll put that on there. Then we put our plate on. Refit our 10mm bolts. And just don't go over tightening anything. Everything's just got to be firm. Still got the kangaroos watching us. That one's half awake. This one behind me is fully dead to the world. She's asleep. Must be a very exciting video. Just be careful wherever you wedge. You don't want to wedge too tightly. You just don't want to damage anything. But as I say, you just be gentle, nip everything up. Now we are going to reassemble. So everything in is obviously just in reverse. So we'll just fit the clutch drum like that. And the trick is just to put 1 bolt, the bottom, that's the fuel tank, so we're just going to fit the bottom bolt. Fit the bottom bolt first. Just doing everything hand tight at the moment. Then we fit the engine cover. Now, you just got to work that around a little bit, but nothing too complicated. We will fit the starter assembly. Do everything, the 3 bolts up evenly. Nip them up firmly. Don't have to be too tight. That works. I really didn't want to start it then, but because we haven't finished putting those bolts in. Should have had the spark plug disconnected theoretically. But now we tighten those two and the bottom clutch housing bolts. Spark plug cover. Got a few more kangaroos have all turned up now, all very relaxed, half asleep. Still got the two out here constantly watching. Alright, let's just give it a, hopefully don't scare the kangaroos too much, but I'll just start her up and just see how she works. See, the drive's not spinning at the moment. It's how it should, and as I slowly accelerate, it will engage the clutch and this will spin inside here. I can, if you gently feel it with your finger, I can feel it spinning. But it sounds quite good. Well, that's it. Kangaroos are very relaxed still. He is awake though. Alright, well, she's good to go. I'll just show you around quickly, but let's just get out of the sun. Get the sun behind me, but yeah, that's the Hilux. And I've just got a ARB rooftop tent, Esperance model, but yeah, that all folds away. It's quite small, and yeah, it's like a double bed up there. No, it works great. But yeah, nice spot down here. Tom Grogan campground it is. It's in Kosciuszko National Park, near the border of New South Wales and Victoria. So I'm south of where I am. Alrighty guys, till next time, see yous.